Hello everyone, my name is Akash Parikh and in today's video we are going to solve a question which appeared in GATE 2019 and the question is from C programming, or you can say it is from programming part, and we have to find the output of this given code. So we have an array A which consists of 5 elements, and we have a sum which is initially initialized to 0, and we have pointer B which is a plus 4. That means a gives us the base address and plus 4 will take us to the fourth position starting from the base address. That means a plus 4 will take us to, if this is our a, then a plus 4 will be, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. That means a plus 4 will take us to 10. That means b is a pointer pointing at 10. The index is 5, the index is 4 and is pointing to 10. And this the expression whose value we have to calculate, and finally we have to return or we have to print the sum. So this is our question and we have 4 options and we will evaluate it and we will see what will be our answer. So let us just write this array. So we have this array and let me write this as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and let us just give the index of the array starting from 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know that b is on fourth index. And now we'll just calculate this sum for every I. So I is starting from 0, so I is starting from 0 and it will go till less than 5. That means it will go till 4 and it will increment by 1. So let us just see, when I equals 0, when I equals 0, sum equals, so initially the sum is 0, so it will be 0 plus star of b. So if b is pointing, so if b is pointing to 10, then star of b will give out the content of this location, which is 10. So it will give us 10 minus I is now 0. So 10 minus 0, that is 10. So we have completed this part, and then again one minus, then again one minus, suppose this is that minus, and now b minus I. So b is an address minus I. I is 0, that means b minus 0. So b minus 0 will be b, and star of b will be again 10. So the overall answer should be 0. That means for I equals to 0, sum is 0. Let us go to when I equals 1. When I equals 1, now also sum equals 0 plus star of b. Star of b is 10, but now I is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9 minus b. So b is pointing at fourth location, index is 4 minus 1. That means it will point to fourth minus 1, that means third location, or you can say it will point to b minus I into int. If this is array is int, that it will go 4 location back. So int have 4 location. If the address of b is 2008, then it will go to 2004, because it will deduct 4 bytes from it minus I. If I do minus I, if you're not understanding what I'm suggesting here, then you can watch my previous video, link is given. So this will go to third location. So this b minus I, because b is in fourth location, minus 1, I is 1, and the content star will tell us the content of third location, which is 8. That is 8. So we will get the sum is 1. So for I equals to 1, the sum is 1. And now we'll calculate for I equals to 2. Now for I equals to 2, sum equals, already the sum is 1, 1 plus star b, which is again 10. 10 minus, now I is 2, 10 minus 2 is 8, then 8 minus b. So b is the address, or we can think as it is as the index. So 4 minus I is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and star of 2, is 6, that means 6. Then we will get 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 1 3. So for I equals to 2, we got the value as 3. Now we will do as I equals to 3. Now when I is equals to 3, the sum is 3 plus, because we have taken 3 from here, 3 plus star of b, is still 10. 10 minus 3, which that is 7, minus b is the fourth location, minus I is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the content, star means the content of 1, that is 4. So we'll get the sum as 6. Now finally we'll do for I equals to 4, because it is I less than 5, that means you have to go till 4 only. Now sum equals, we'll carry the sum, that is 6 plus star of b, which is 10, minus I is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6, and then again minus b. So b is at fourth location and I is fourth. 4 minus 4 is 0, and star, that means content of zeroth location, which is 2. So this 12 minus 2, which is 10. And now the loop has completed, because you have to go till I less than equals to 5, that is I less than 4, and now sum is 10, and we have to print this sum. So our final option out of the 4 ABCD will be D, which is 10. If you did not understand any of the part of pointer, then you can follow my previous video on pointers. Thank you very much.